Hello student, in your computer network, next topic is CRC polynomial. What is polynomials? The patterns of 0 and 1 can be represented as the polynomial with the coefficient of 0 and 1. The power of each term shows the position of the bit and coefficient shows the value of the bit. That is called as a polynomial. Polynomial means we can represent the 0 and the 1. It means the value will be there, means we can represent 1. The value will be not there, it means we can represent in a 0. It is a we can shows in a position of the bit. That is called as a polynomial. Polynomial we can represent in a zeros and the ones. Ones with the coefficient of the zeros and ones. The power of each term shows the position of the bit. The coefficient shows the value of the bit. How bit we can string bit we can represent means how bit string we can represent. This is the formula: b of n1, b of n2, b of n minus 3 up to b2, b1, b0. What is polynomial? A pattern of zeros and ones can be represented as a polynomial with coefficients of zeros and the ones. The power of each term show the position of the bit or the coefficient we can call as a polynomial. In your polynomial we can use the bit string. Bit string, why we can use means we can string, it will be represented in a bitwise. So we can take a bit string. So in our bit string formula is bn minus 1, bn minus 2, bn minus 2 up to b2, b1 and b0. This one is the in your general bit string method. This one is the general bit string method. How to represent the polynomial? How to write the formula of polynomial? This one is the polynomial formula. How we can represent the polynomial? bn minus 1 to the power of kn minus 1 plus bn minus 2 to the power of kn minus 2 plus bn minus 3 to the power of kn minus 1 minus 3. Same up to b2 x to the power of 2, b1 plus b1 to b1 2x and b0. This one is the in your polynomial representation or formula of the polynomial. I will take one example bit string we can represent it here. Example, I will take one example: 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. This one is the example of the bit string. This one is the bit string. How we can represent this one? It means we can, where is the 1 is there, we can, that one only we can represent. Where is 0 will be there, that one we can neglect that one. Here I will write one example. here this one is the position 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 position will be there. We can consider this one is the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 0 to 10 position we can represent it in a bit string. Here I will return, it means I will return example how to represent the polynomial. Means here 1 will be there, so this one is the x to the power of 10. Then here 7th place we got a 1, so x to the power of 7. Here we can got the 1, this one place is 5, x to the power of 5. Then here we can got the 1, this is we can represent it in a x to the power of 3. Here we can got a 1, we can write the x to the power of 2. Then here we can have a 1, this one is we can represent it in the x to the power of 1. Here we can consider as a 0 1 2 format. That's why I will taken x to the power of 1, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 3, x to the power of 5, x to the power of 7, x to the power of 10. This one is the in your polynomial representation of the bit string. This one is the bit string. Now I will take an example of how to convert the or how to generate the value of our message. We can represent it in a sender and receiver side. How we can generate the CRC or CRC means before class only I will explain cyclic redundancy check. This is how to represent. I will take one example 11010. This one is the data code, this one is the data. I will check CRC. Generator I will taken example. I will take x3 plus x plus 1. This example or this generator I will taken. Here I will take a example. It means x3, it means I will write a 1. Why? Because this number will be assigned here, so we will take a x to the power of 3. Here x to the power of 2 will be not there, so we will consider as a 0. Then x will be there, so we will consider as the 1x. Then 1 will be there, so we will take a 1x or to the power of 0. Then this x2 is not present here, so we will consider as a 0. What are the CRC we can generate? Here 1011. This code or CRC generator we can generate the data. Here this one is the data code, this one is the data code, this one is the CRC generator. This code word, this one is the data word, this one is the code word we can got here 1011. Now we can check this one is the working or not. This information we can send to sender and receiver to receiver. The information it will be right or wrong. We can check it in here. First I will check sender side. What are the code word I will got or CRC generator we can got 1011. Then what is the data code we can have 11010. This code word this data word we can got. In your data word we can add 3 zeros, then we can represent the XOR operation we can perform. How we can represent the XOR operation I will explain in the before class only. Now only it means 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1, here 0 1 1 0 we can got. Then what are the next one will be there, we can move on to down. Next we can got a 1 here, so here we can return 1, then 1 0 1 1 we can return here 1 1 1 0, then we can 0 we can move on to down. Next we can take a 1, so 1 0 1 1 then 1 0 1 0, then this 0 we can move on to down, here 1 0 1 1, here 1 0 0 0 we can got. So this 0 we can move on to down, we can got down no value such as it means we can only got the 3 value, this 0 we can got. So this 3 bit we can called as a CRC bit, this bit we can called as a CRC bit, or the reminder will be we can got this one. What are the output we can got here, 0 1 0, this one is the CRC bit, this one is the CRC bit we can got now. Then how we can represent the receiver got the information means we can check now receiver side, this one is the sender side information, this one is the receiver side information. What are the information we can taken to check the information will be go to the sender and receiver to sender, this one is correct or not, we can check. Here we can take a 1 0 1 1, then 1 1, what are the data word we can got 1 0 1 1 0 1 0, this one is the in your data word. After what are the remaining data CRC bit or code word we can got 0 1 0, here we can return 0 1 0. Now we can represent the XOR operation we can perform here. Check here 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0, then we can 0 will be we can move on to down. So next we can get 1, so 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0, this 0 we can move on to down, 1 1 0 1 1, then 1 0 1 0, this 1 we can move on to down, we can take a 1 1 0 1 1, so we can got a 0 0 0 0, everything will be we can got a 0 means all are 0 it will become, it means it is a no redundancy, it means no redundancy error, it means the whatever the information we can have in a sender, it will be information go to receiver is the correct information will be go to sender to receiver, 0 error will be come, 0 redundancy error will be come here. Thank you.